You almost have thought I was playing. I promise you this is all part of the plan. You look in my pockets, it's all rubber bands. My fingers keep bleeding from popping them tags. On the plane with my feet up, I'm shopping in France. I'm way too high up, I am not gonna land. I'm trying to stay positive, watch me expand. Russian roulette, you do not got a chance. Hop up the jet, I don't take off my slippers. Picasso, my pen is just painting a picture. If it's not the dope, then it's fame shit'll get you. My chain going crazy, it's straight up ridiculous. I told y'all, it's the roll call. I'm 100 deep in my road, dog. Like the fire alarm, I might go off. And with this music shit, I'm like Mozart. Swear the come up was hell, so shout out my brothers that struggle and hustle and stuck in the cell. Don't look at me wrong, I got nothing to tell. I'm at one with myself, I don't trust no one else. This is GTA, but in real life. If you don't know what rock bottom really feels like, then shut this off, it don't feel right. It's been a decade and a half, I'm still nice, it's Big Merk. I promise you should mind your business, business. What's it gonna take for y'all to get it, get it? Please don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. I promise you should mind your business, business. What's it gonna take for y'all to get it, get it? Please don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. Give a fuck about clout if my pockets are deep. If Mark's on the verse, that's the mark of the beast. Watch me be the reason my dogs get released. Put the money for bail if they all getting free. Got to soak up the game, so I own for that. I don't talk to these dudes that just show up and rap. I don't look at the price, so just throw me the tab. I wake up, get dressed, and I go get a bag. Money all green like Peter Pan. Just tip 10K to the pizza man. I carried all the way like I don't need a hand. I booked a private plane just to see the sand. I'm a force to be reckoned with. Who gonna stop me? Just give me the belt, I ain't doing karate. I'll make them sweat like they do too much molly. Your movement ain't popping, my dude, you too sloppy. If you get too cocky, I'm shooting a shot. You start moving your body like doing Pilates. Now look at my belly, we used to be starving. Plus we just went platinum, so who wanna party? I try to tell them that it's not a game. I seen a lot of shit through these Prada frames. Dropped 200 songs before I bought a chain. And now I'm at the top, but I got it made, it's Big Merk. I promise you should mind your business, business. What's it gonna take for y'all to get it, get it? Please don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. I promise you should mind your business, business. What's it gonna take for y'all to get it, get it? Please don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. I promise you should mind your business, business. What's it gonna take for y'all to get it, get it? Please don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you.
Till I sleep, wake up and repeat, cause that's just what I do. I'm getting money every minute I'm alive. I don't even gotta try, cause that's just what I do. You got a problem and I hear you talking shit, I'ma smack you like a bitch, cause that's just what I do. Give me a beat and I'ma teach him all a lesson. It ain't never been a question, cause that's just what I do. Yo, I take this shit serious, appear to be delirious. It's clear to me you curious, cause Snak is so mysterious. If you talking shit, let me tell you what my theory is. You a bloody bitch like your girlfriend on a period. Keep yapping while I make it happen, laughing in the face of fakes, snapping necks and taking names, cashing checks, I'm changing lanes. This is what I do, my attitude is never lose. Catch me drinking hella booze in videos with hella views. This the sound of vandalism from the ground. The man has risen, grammar in my mannerisms, giving rappers aneurysms. They can't even stand the sight. You backing down, I plan to fight in every single jam I write. Rolling blood by candlelight, random thoughts I have at night. Take a seat and hand the mic, eat your face Miami style. Got 'em all like Dammy hype, your worst nightmare. Got you pissing in the bed, cause you know I got a few screws missing in my head. I drink till I puke and I smoke till I sleep, wake up and repeat, cause that's just what I do. I'm getting money every minute I'm alive. I don't even gotta try, cause that's just what I do. You got a problem and I hear you talking shit, I'ma smack you like a bitch, cause that's just what I do. Give me a beat and I'ma teach him all a lesson. It ain't never been a question, cause that's just what I do. Anybody asking where I was, I tell them home smoking. Fuck around with me and I'ma leave your head blown open. Laying right where you stand with every bone broken. Fuck it, effing is the brand, advertising slow motion. Yeah, we making mad noise while you belly a commotion. No emotion, take you on a boat and dump you in the ocean. Quit my day job, give myself a good promotion. Ain't working for nobody else, don't understand the notion. Cause every word I say, you'll fucking dislocate your vertebrae. You a rat in the dirt, I'm a fucking vertebrae. You sounding stupid trying to act like you ain't never heard of me. Cause when it comes to rap, there ain't a track that I ain't murdering. Bury shit alive. I'm just looking for the shovel, so I rap until my eyes is crooked and I'm seeing double big trouble. Guess I'm in it for the long run. Pack the bong, son. Click replay when the song done. I drink till I puke and I smoke till I sleep. Wake up and repeat, cause that's just what I do. I'm getting money every minute I'm alive. I don't even gotta try, cause that's just what I do. You got a problem and I hear you talking shit, I'ma smack you like a bitch, cause that's just what I do. Give me a beat and I'ma teach him all a lesson. It ain't never been a question, cause that's just what I do. Tell him it's no question. No question. Tell him it's no question. No question. Tell him it's no question. See, Lance, no question. Tell him it's no. Tell him it's no. Tell him it's no question. Allergic to emotion, watch your situation worsen. Forget the man you used to know, cause I'm a different person. Trying to find a balance on the wave that I've been surfing. Saving up my pennies, shit is heavy but it's working. Still awake at sunrise and the birds already chirping. Nothing is for sure in life and this I know it's certain. Cut the grass low to show you where the snakes are lurking. I know it's all been done before but this a different version. You sloppy like a whore, acting tighter